Alright, today I'm going to show you all how to do this quick, smooth zoom out transition. Let's go. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to add motion tile onto my first clip, and then my output width is going to be 200 and my output height is also going to be 200. And then at the end of my clip, I'm going to click S on my keyboard to open up scale, add a keyframe there, and I'm going to click shift page up on my keyboard to go back 10 frames. We're going to add another keyframe there. We're going to go back to that first keyframe that we added at the end of our clip, and then we're just going to change our value here from 100 to 40. Perfect. And now we're going to do the same thing at this top clip. We're going to go at the beginning of our clip, click S, add a keyframe, and then we're going to click shift page down to go forward 10 frames. And then we're going to add another keyframe there. We're going to go back to that first keyframe, and then we're just going to zoom in by 200. Alright, so now we have this. Now all we got to do is click F9 on the keyboard to easy ease both of these. And then we're just going to open up our graph editor and follow this graph. And then this one,